Thank you to your question for letting me use their channel. Here is how I would take notes for my Bible study, especially for Sam Shamoon's videos. He has really good arguments for the Trinity and other topics. So the margins of a Bible would be too narrow to write down fully Sam's arguments. So for example, in this video, Sam is showing how Jesus shows his divinity in the Gospels, for example in Mark. And the video title is Christology of Jesus in the Synoptic Gospels, Part 1. The YouTube channel was Sira International. The date it was published. And here I write down the verses and the arguments. So here is a sample of Sam's arguments and the verses he quotes to support his argument. So we have Malachi 3:1, 1 Chronicles 29 verse 1, and this is best done in a notebook with pagination. So this is page 3, this is page 1, and so this is for one video, and I would put this down as Christology as a topic. So I'll put that in the contents, put that at Christology, and put the page number here. So this is a new notebook. So imagine this filled up. Here you have all your topics and the page number where the video or the Bible study started. So this will be filled with page numbers. And I will continue in the next video about how you would cross-reference the Bible verses using this notebook system. Here you have the book, and column B is the chapter, and column C is the verse number. So what I would do is put the page number from the notebook in column D, column E, and so on. For example, here Mark chapter 1 verse 2 was referenced in page 1. So in future, if someone asked you, what can you tell me about a certain verse, you can go to the verse, refer to the page number where the verse is mentioned, and go to your notebook on that page and refer to the arguments that's used regarding that verse. So that's how I would use the cross-reference system using the Bible taxonomy here. And this file will be provided for you. The link is in the description box below, and feel free to use it any way you feel is best.